another banger. Today I will be showing y'all how I cook my chicken drumsticks and make my special sauce to go on top of it. Let's get started. So first off, these are the seasonings. I'm gonna season everything up real good. Make sure everything is seasoning. You can season it to your liking. Y'all know I'm a Cajun woman. I love spice, so I'm gonna add me some spice to it. Spice it up real good. Season it up. So after I season everything, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my onions. Then I'm gonna take a bag, not just a regular bag, a baking bag. Put your chicken in there, put your onions in there, and whatever ingredients you want to put in there. Then I'm gonna cut the top piece off because the bag is really too big, and I'm gonna stuff it in the pan, and I'm gonna go ahead put holes in the top. I have my oven set for 350. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the oven and get my sauce started. So now I'm basically melting the cream cheese. You want to make sure all the cream cheese is melted down, no lumps. Then you're gonna go ahead and add your heavy whipping cream. Add that in there real good. And just stir until everything is nice and evenly melted down. Now I'm gonna add my mushrooms. You can add however many you want. You add your mushrooms, fresh mushrooms. Add your pico. Then last but not least, you're gonna add your spinach. Then you're gonna stir everything around and make sure. You're going to add your water. You want to add the water to make sure it loosens up. You don't want it to be too thick. You don't have to add a lot, just a little bit to make sure everything is loosened up. You don't want it to be too thick. So you stir all that around, let it cook down, and then you're going to go ahead and season it really good. And I just basically use the same seasoning that I season my chicken with, but you basically can use whatever season that you like, Cajun, complete, whatever season, Tony Saturates, whatever you want to use. So I'm just going to go ahead and season everything up real good, and then I'm going to taste it after to make sure it has the taste that I'm looking for. Then you stir everything around and make sure everything is good and even. Let it cook down. I let it cook for about 10 minutes. And then you add more spinach or whatever else you need to add more. And let it all cook down. And then you're going to let it simmer. So here's the finished product of the sauce that's going to go on top of my chicken. So the chicken has baked. I baked the chicken for like an hour. I'm going to go ahead and take it out the bag. Oh y'all, look how good that looks. That chicken is tender. It is so good and it's so full of flavor. Very good. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend, tell another friend. Y'all keep the subscribers rolling in. My voice, I'm a little horse. But look at that chicken, y'all. Look how good that chicken is. And I mean, like, it is very good and flavorful. that good chicken baked in a bag with that creamy sauce on top. Spinach sauce with mushrooms. Love y'all.